Hello friends, in this video I'll discuss the second question from paper 1 of mathematics JEE Advanced 2020. So the question is seen. The question is, if the function f from R to R is defined by f of x is equal to mod x into x minus sin x, then which of the following statements is true? Option A, f is 1 1 but not onto. Option B, f is onto but not 1 1. F is both 1 1 and onto. Option D, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Let's consider this function. This is f of x, right? F of x is equal to mod x into x minus sin x. Modulus of x is an even function and x minus sin x is an odd function, right? You all know how to check whether a function is even or odd. F of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. Correct. So this is an odd function and this is an even function. Odd into even is odd. So f of x is odd. This you have concluded. F of x is odd. Now modulus of x is x when x is greater than or equal to 0, right? Let's consider the case when x is greater than or equal to 0. If x is greater than or equal to 0, this function become x into x minus sin x, right? X into x minus sin x. Now let's differentiate this function. What will be f dash of x? X into 1 minus cos x plus x minus sin x, right? This is what you will get. F dash of x will be this, x into 1 minus cos x plus x minus sin x. F dash of x, what will be the nature? This is the case when x is greater than or equal to 0, right? That is in the positive x-axis side. Positive x-axis side. So f dash of x is x into 1 minus cos x plus x minus sin x. So this is greater than 0, correct? So this is greater than 0. Similarly, what else you can see? 1 minus cos x is positive. This is positive. From limits, you have already learned from limits that 1 minus cos x is positive. And x minus sin x is also positive. X minus sin x is positive in this case, in this values of x. When x is greater than or equal to 0, 1 minus cos x is positive. Also, x minus sin x is also positive. Correct. X minus sin x is also positive in this case. So what do you conclude from this? F dash of x is positive. F dash of x is positive in this case. If f dash of x is positive, what do you conclude from that? That means the function is a strictly increasing function. Let's try to draw the graph of the function in the first quadrant like this. Surely it will go like this, correct? Yeah, it will go like this. The strictly increasing function. Correct. This will be a strictly increasing function. Now, what other specialty is there for odd function? Whatever is the function over here, it will be symmetrical about the axis. So when x is less than 0, its graph should be exactly the symmetric figure. So this is a function like this, strictly increasing like this, and just the exact figure for this one, exact symmetrical figure you can draw like this. Correct. So this will be the whole graph of this function f of x is equal to mod x into x minus sin x. So what I figured out is, first I drew the graph in the first quadrant, then we identify that since the function is odd, its graph should be symmetrical like this over here. Correct. So this should be the symmetric graph. So what do you conclude from this? It is going up to infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity it is going. Correct. So the whole real numbers it is covering. So, and what else? Is the value ever repeating? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. That means so for all x values, that means for all y, only a single x is there. Correct. So what do you conclude from that? The function is both 1, 1 and onto. You can conclude from the graph itself. So what is the correct answer? Option C should be the correct answer. F is both 1, 1 and onto. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with all your friends. Have a nice day. Bye.